Hello, my name is Angie, also known as Angeline. We are going to be talking about baby highlights today. I am going to be using the Wella, the new Wella brand, Blonde Oleplex. It helps protect the hair and lifts it quicker. I'm going to use 20 volume on the front and the top, and then I'm also going to use 30 volume in the back. I'm going to do baby highlights going from level 2 to level 9, 10. So it's pretty cool. I got a lot of lift. I'm going to start on the sides and then I'm going to work on to the top. So this is level 2. A lot of foils. And then I just ran the leftover bleach through her ends just to brighten the rest of it up as well. See, we got pretty light. 45 minutes I left it on. Took about an hour and a half to put the foils in. I'm going to tone it with Rusk. For AA, I'm going to do a shadowroot with Rusk and 10 volume. And I left that on for about 30 minutes. And then I got her hair wet and ran it through the ends and let it sit on until I found the desired color that I liked. And then I used Oleplex right after toning. Then I shampooed it with Oleplex shampoo and conditioner. And then I used Oleplex number 6 for a leave-in. It's very moisturizing. It helps repair the hair. And the Kenra blow dry spray. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. Blow dries the hair quicker. And I have it all blowed out, and I'm gonna do a fanning of the hair and just slice. Point kiting right through it. Breaks it up, blends the layers. Adds texture. And she's not seen her hair yet, so it's always exciting to see their expression when it's all done. But I take pretty big sections. So pretty much from behind the ear all the way up. Fan it and slice. Beautiful. Another section, a quarter of the hair. It's one of my favorite techniques. See how that blends a lot better? It just depends on the texture of the hair, the thickness, on how much you want to do. It's a judgment call. But the hair is in really good condition with using the Oleplex. It's Tuesday night and we always have Zoom meetings with Wesley, $1 billion so I put those on while I'm at work and educate myself at the same time. And if you think you're getting value here, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with somebody that might be interested in what I'm doing. I also have a link below for the Overnight Millionaire if you're interested in that as well. Wesley is a great mentor. He's inspiring, cute. So, and Ariel is amazing. They're a good team. All right. Now I'm using a Quaj dry shampoo. It's one of my favorite dry shampoos. You can use it after you're done styling it, the next day. It smells good and gives you enough texture in the hair.
Oh my god, I'm like scared. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh girl, you. Oh girl.
You ugly.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do you like it?
Girl, you're so good.
Just posted it on Facebook.
Oh, should I show them too?
Yes. Start liking my videos on YouTube, girl.
Oh, you know, I like the way you did my layers too.
She gonna come back.
Oh my god. I'm gonna more than come back, I'll move here.
So shadow it left on for 30 minutes and then in the shampoo bowl, run the rest of the color through the hair. Leave it on for a few seconds. And there we go. I also sent her home with Haircolor, the silver cleansing conditioner.
Hey,
There's my boy.
You talk back to your boss? Probably not, because you're scared to get fired.
I
right?
love this guy.
Well, you didn't talk back to the principal, or you
I
didn't
love
talk
it when he
back
gives
to
me
the
shout outs.
He'll write you
It
up.
makes my heart so happy.
You'll get in trouble.
And
so guess
yellow.
what? It's the same behavior. You know what I'm saying? See, this behavior.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.